Have you ever wondered why some animals look like they've been painted by nature's most creative artist? Imagine a world where creatures aren't just brown or gray, but burst with colors so vibrant they look almost unreal. Today we're going to explore 7 of the most colorful and beautiful creatures on our planet. These living works of art are not just pretty to look at, their colors often serve amazing purposes in nature. From deep oceans to dense forests, these spectacular beings have evolved colors that can camouflage, attract mates, or even warn predators. Number 1. The mandarin fish. Our first stop takes us to the warm waters of the Pacific Ocean, where one of nature's most dazzling masterpieces lives, the mandarin fish. This tiny fish, measuring only about 6 centimeters long, looks like it's been dipped in liquid jewels. Its body is covered in swirling patterns of blue, orange, green, and yellow, creating a psychedelic effect that seems almost otherworldly. But these brilliant colors aren't just for show. In the busy coral reefs where mandarin fish live, their bright patterns help them recognize members of their own species. Interestingly, these colors also serve as a warning to potential predators. Mandarin fish produce a mucus coating that tastes terrible to most fish. During mating season, males put on quite a show, flashing their colors in elaborate courtship displays at sunset. Number 2. The lilac-breasted roller. From the depths of the ocean, we now soar into the African skies to meet the lilac-breasted roller, a bird whose plumage could put a painter's palette to shame. Found across eastern and southern Africa, this medium-sized bird measures about 36 to 38 centimeters long and sports an incredible array of colors that seem to flow seamlessly across its body. The bird's name comes from its distinctive lilac breast, but this is just the beginning of its rainbow display. Its head is a rich chestnut brown, transitioning to a turquoise crown and nape. The wings showcase a stunning combination of royal blue and aqua, while the tail feathers are a deep, electric blue. The belly features a soft peach color, and there's even a touch of purple around the eyes. When the bird takes flight, all these colors flash brilliantly in the sunlight, creating a spectacular aerial display. Number 3. The rainbow lorikeet. Let's move to the sun-drenched landscapes of Australia, where one of nature's most exuberant feathered wonders awaits, the rainbow lorikeet. This small parrot, measuring about 25 to 30 centimeters long, is a living explosion of color. With its kaleidoscopic plumage, it looks like someone dipped it in every shade of the rainbow and then added a few more for good measure. But this riot of colors isn't just for show, it serves important purposes in the lorikeet's life. In the dense forests and woodlands of Australia, their bright plumage helps them recognize members of their flock, even from great distances. These social birds live in large groups, chattering and squawking, as they move from tree to tree in search of nectar, pollen, fruits, and blossoms. Their vivid colors also play a role in courtship. During mating season, males display their full palette of hues to impress potential mates, performing acrobatic flights and vocal displays to seal the deal. Number 4. The mantis shrimp. Diving back beneath the waves, we encounter one of nature's most technicolor warriors, the mantis shrimp. Despite its name, this creature isn't actually a shrimp but a close relative, and it's anything but ordinary. Measuring up to 40 centimeters long, the mantis shrimp comes in 2 main varieties, smashers and spearers, both equally colorful. Their bodies are covered in vivid patterns of green, red, orange, and blue, looking like they've been wrapped in shiny cellophane. What sets the mantis shrimp apart isn't just its appearance, but also its extraordinary vision. These creatures see colors in a way no other animal can, detecting up to 16 primary colors compared to our 3. The mantis shrimp's colors serve multiple purposes. Bright markings often indicate territory boundaries to other mantis shrimp, preventing unnecessary fights. During mating rituals, both males and females display their colors in complex dances, assessing each other's health and genetic quality. Number 5. The peacock spider. Australia is home to one of nature's smallest but most spectacular performers, the peacock spider. At only 5 millimeters long, this tiny arachnid packs more visual punch than creatures many times its size. Male peacock spiders have abdomens that resemble miniature peacock tails, featuring iridescent flaps of blue, red, and orange that they can raise and fan out during courtship displays. What makes these spiders truly remarkable is the complexity of their color patterns. Each species has its own unique design, ranging from geometric patterns to what looks like abstract art. The colors are created through microscopic structures that manipulate light, producing effects similar to those seen in soap bubbles or oil slicks. Their legs often feature alternating bands of white and black, adding to their striking appearance. Number 6. The harlequin shrimp. In the coral reefs of the Indian and Pacific Oceans lives one of nature's most fashionable couples, the harlequin shrimp. These tiny crustaceans, measuring only about 2 to 5 centimeters long, look like they've stepped straight out of a comic book. Their bodies feature a creamy white base color adorned with dramatic splashes of pink, purple, and sometimes blue, arranged in abstract patterns that vary between individuals. The harlequin shrimp's coloration is perfectly adapted to its environment. In the dappled light of coral reefs, their bright patterns help them blend in with the colorful corals, while simultaneously advertising their toxicity to potential predators. What's particularly fascinating is that these colors aren't static. They can change intensity based on the shrimp's mood or environmental conditions. Number 7. The peacock butterfly. For the 7th and the last spot, let's flutter into the meadows and gardens of Europe and Asia, where one of nature's most dramatic performers awaits, the peacock butterfly. With a wingspan of about 5 to 7 centimeters, this butterfly may be small, but its appearance is anything but understated. Its wings are a rich, deep reddish-brown, adorned with 4 striking eye-like patterns that resemble the iridescent eyes of a peacock's feathers, hence its name. These eye spots are the peacock butterfly's most distinctive feature. Each spot is a mesmerizing blend of colors, a shimmering blue center surrounded by rings of black, white, and gold. When the butterfly spreads its wings, these spots create an illusion so vivid that they can startle or confuse predators. But the magic doesn't stop there. When the butterfly closes its wings, its drab underside blends seamlessly with tree bark, providing excellent camouflage against birds and other threats. The peacock butterfly's colors aren't just for show, they're a masterclass in survival. The large eye spots serve as a defense mechanism, mimicking the eyes of larger animals to scare off predators like birds. As we wrap up our journey through these 7 spectacular creatures, one thing becomes clear: nature is the ultimate artist. From the swirling patterns of the mandarin fish to the dazzling eye spots of the peacock butterfly, each species showcases the boundless creativity of evolution. These animals remind us that color isn't just about looking beautiful, it's about survival, communication, and adaptation. Yet here's something to ponder. Scientists estimate that millions of species remain undiscovered, hidden in the remotest corners of our planet. Imagine the kaleidoscope of life still waiting to be uncovered, perhaps a glowing jellyfish in the ocean depths, or a neon bird hiding high in the canopy. Every discovery adds another stroke to nature's grand painting, expanding our sense of wonder. So the next time you step outside, take a closer look at the world around you. Whether it's a butterfly fluttering past or a bird singing in the trees, remember that even the smallest creature could be wearing colors more breathtaking than any human-made masterpiece. After all, in the story of life on Earth, every hue has a purpose, and every creature tells a tale worth hearing. So keep yourselves glued to our channel by subscribing to it. Till then, enjoy your colorful life.